Bow Windows Installation in Layton, Utah offers a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. With a variety of bow window styles available, homeowners can choose from vinyl bow windows, wooden bow windows, and aluminum bow windows to match their home's design. Bow windows. Layton contractors are skilled in providing custom bow windows that fit perfectly with your home's architecture. Energy-efficient bow windows in Layton are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bow window experts in Layton can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best energy-efficient bow windows for your needs. Bow window replacement in Layton is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you need bow window glass replacement or bow window frame replacement, Layton Bow Window Specialists are equipped to handle all your replacement needs. Regular bow window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Affordable bow windows. Layton are available for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Bow window solutions in Layton include a range of options to fit any budget, from basic vinyl bow windows to more luxurious wooden bow windows. Bow window contractors in Layton can provide estimates and help you find the best bow window options for your home. Custom bow windows in Layton offer a personalized touch to your home's design. With a variety of bow window dimensions and features to choose from, you can create a unique look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Bow window design experts in Layton can assist you in selecting the perfect bow window enhancements to complement your home's style. Bow window replacement in Layton is a great way to improve your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or upgrading to a new style, Layton Bow Window Replacement Services can provide the perfect solution. Bow window upgrades in Layton can include new bow window frames, energy-efficient glass, and stylish designs. Bow window services in Layton encompass everything from installation to maintenance and replacement. Bow window specialists in Layton are experienced in all aspects of bow window care, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Layton Bow Window experts provide comprehensive services to meet all your window needs. Bow window benefits in Layton include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. These windows create a sense of space and openness, making any room feel larger and more inviting. Bow window features in Layton can be customized to suit your preferences, with options for different glass types, frame materials, and design styles. Bow windows. Layton enhancements can transform the look and feel of your home. From adding decorative elements to improving functionality, bow window options in Layton are designed to meet the needs of every homeowner. Bow window contractors in Layton can help you explore the various enhancements available, ensuring your windows are both beautiful and practical.